Today I'm going to show you how to make Viennese fingers. You will need 125 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of butter or margarine, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 100 grams of chocolate. A traditional Viennese fingers recipe will call for dark chocolate, but if you don't like dark or you don't have dark, you can substitute out for milk or for white. Firstly, in a bowl, cream together your margarine and your icing sugar. Then add your vanilla extract and mix well. Then add your plain flour and again mix really well until well combined. Traditionally, Viennese fingers require you to use a piping bag with a star tip nozzle, which if you have these, by all means do use these to pipe out your biscuits. But because I'm very conscious that people don't always have that equipment, I'm going to show you the non-piping bag method. So having pre-prepared a baking tray with baking paper, take a ball of your dough, just roll it to get it smooth and then roll it into a sausage, pop it on your tray, then using a fork just score the top of the biscuit. This will give it the impression that we have piped it without piping it. Then repeat until all your dough is used up. You will need to leave a bit of space in between each finger because they do expand slightly. Then pop these in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted, and bake for 12 minutes. Then allow your biscuits to cool. Once your biscuits are cool, we will then need to melt our chocolate. So we're going to melt the chocolate in the microwave. So having chopped your chocolate into small chunks, pop it in a microwavable bowl, pop in the microwave for 30 seconds to start with, give it a mix round, and then pop it in for 10-second blasts afterwards. We want the chocolate to have just melted. This way we have the best chance of it setting afterwards. Then simply dip your fingers into your bowl of melted chocolate. You can do a half and half biscuit, so half dipped in chocolate, half not, or I quite like to dip both ends of my biscuits in chocolate. Then pop these in the fridge for about half an hour just to allow that chocolate to set. And there you have it. That's how you make Viennese fingers.